Okay, today I'm going to be replacing a motor-driven vacuum pump, which is right there. It's located inside one of the frame rails, and the problem is I tried to look it up on YouTube and I didn't find anything because all the vacuum pumps I saw were on pickups pretty much, and they were driven by the engine, so they were mounted to the engine in some way. So what I did find was people troubleshooting their vacuum systems on their HVAC, and of course, they didn't address the vacuum pump part of it. And since this is a diesel, it needs a electrically driven vacuum pump. So let's get into it. Okay, so there is the electrical driven vacuum pump. I took a look at this and I don't think I need to take loose all these lines and everything. I think I could get through it from the top and pull it out from the top and then out. So it looks like it's held on by two bolts, and those are right there. These right there is the electrical connections, and I don't know about the vacuum connections, so there should be one, and according to the new one that I have. So I'm going to loosen these two bolts, disconnect the electrical, and see if I can find where that vacuum line is. Okay, here's an update. Got it out. Pretty easy. Came out over the top, up in there, and through there. And I don't know if this is visible or not. Right there is the connection to it. And right up in there, there's a T. I suspect one line goes up to the cruise control and the other line goes up to the instrument panel for the HVAC. Anyway, so it came out pretty easy. There's the old one, and there's the connection for the air right there. So I'll have to put that on the new on the new pump. So I'll give you another update when I get that thing in place, and the new one, of course, looks exactly like that one. I'll have to put some new connections on it and put that fitting on it. So anyway, that's it so far. Okay, to finish up, there is the new pump. And there's the electrical connections, just minus and plus. And up in there is I put a longer hose on it to go down to the pump, which you can't see where that connection is. But anyway, I lengthened the hose, and it's quite a bit longer and a lot easier to put it on. And there's a little coupling that I put in, a splicer they call it. Anyway, that's it. And this is where I got it in. I took it out, and there's room up there. It takes a little maneuvering to get it out and the new one back in. The problem with the new one is trying to line up the bolts, which are right there. Let's see, there's one and there's the other one. So trying to line those up with the bracket that's in there, that was kind of a bear to get that in. But I finally got it. Got the bolts aligned with the screw holes that it finally tightened up and went in. So hopefully this will help somebody and with their project. So we'll see you later, I guess.